7 Foods to cure premature ejaculation naturally. Foods to cure premature ejaculation. Problem. These food elements hold various properties that can help in your sexual health. Oyster is rich in vitamin B6 and zinc. These substances are responsible for the increased production of testosterone hormone. Thus, the oyster is a very useful food item to solve your sexual dysfunction and helps to overcome premature ejaculation naturally. Chilies are the most natural food substances that are responsible for causing dilatation of the blood vessels and increasing the flow of blood. It is very clearly evident that chili has this effect as our face gets flushed with the intake of chilies. Chilies help directly to solve premature ejaculation by increasing the blood flow to the penile blood vessels. Coffee. Caffeine present in the coffee helps to boost your body's metabolism, thereby increases the blood circulation of our body. Regular intake of a cup of coffee helps to treat premature ejaculation. Pork is rich in vitamin B1 and it helps in treating erectile dysfunction by improving the strength of the nervous system. Other sources of vitamin B1 are beans, whole meat, and bread. It also helps in improving your nervous functioning, thereby treats premature ejaculation of nervous origin. Salmon. It is a well-known fact that salmon fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and this helps to prevent the blood clots in the blood vessels. Intake of fish rich in these fatty acids will help your arteries to stay healthy and ensures proper blood flow throughout your body, thus helps to treat premature ejaculation naturally. Fishes like trout, mackerel, fresh tuna, and salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Garlic and onion are good in treating premature ejaculation problem by thinning the blood and thereby helps to improve the circulation throughout the body. Banana and orange. This fruit easily available in the local market and one for the effective food item for premature ejaculation treatment. Bananas are rich in potassium. This has a positive effect on maintaining the level of sodium in your blood, thus regulate the blood pressure at a normal level. Oranges are also helpful to treat erectile dysfunction. If you wish to discuss any specific problem, you can consult a sexologist.